Hello, little explorers. Today we're going on a thrilling adventure to meet some incredible zoo animals. Are you ready? Let's go. Wow, so many animals to see. Let's start with roar. What was that? I'm Lenny the lion. I am the king of the zoo. I love to roar to say hello. Lions are big, strong cats. They love to nap in the sun and take care of their family, called a pride. What was that sound? Let's follow it. I'm Ellie the elephant. My trunk helps me eat, drink, and even give myself a bath. Elephants are huge and super smart. They use their trunks to pick up food and spray water like a shower. Who's up there? Look up, everyone. I'm Milo the monkey. I love to climb, swing, and snack on bananas. Monkeys are so quick and clever. They use their tails to help them balance in the trees. Oh my! Who just made that big splash? I'm Penny the penguin. I can't fly, but I'm an amazing swimmer. Penguins love cold places and use their flippers to zoom through the water. What an amazing zoo adventure! We met Lenny the lion, Ellie the elephant, Milo the monkey, and Penny the penguin. What was your favorite animal? Come back soon for more zoo fun. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Just click the link in the description to get started today.